Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about what you need to know before selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider. Selling a life insurance policy to a life settlement provider can be a great way to generate cash for expenses like medical bills, home repairs, or even retirement. However, it is important to understand the process and potential risks before making a decision. Here are several things you need to know before selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider. Before selling your policy, you need to know its current value. This is the amount that you could receive in cash from a life settlement provider. The value of your policy will depend on a number of factors, including your age, health, and the terms of the policy. In general, the older you are and the sicker you are, the more valuable your policy will be. You can get an estimate of the value of your policy by working with a life settlement provider. Other than that, you should understand the fees and charges of selling your life insurance policy. This fee can vary widely depending on the provider and the specifics of the policy. It is important to understand these fees and charges before agreeing to a sale. In addition, some providers may charge additional fees for things like appraisals, legal work, and other administrative tasks. Make sure you understand all of the costs associated with the sale before agreeing to anything. In addition to that, it is important for you to know about the tax implications. The proceeds from the sale of a life insurance policy are generally taxable as income. However, the tax treatment of these proceeds can be complex and may vary depending on the specifics of the policy and the sale. In general, if you sell a policy for more than its cash surrender value, you will owe taxes on the difference. Hence, it is advisable to consult with a tax professional before making a decision to sell your policy to understand the potential tax implications. Finally, it is important to choose When you sell your life insurance policy, you are entering into a long-term relationship with the buyer. Look for a provider that is licensed in your state, has a good reputation in the industry, and is willing to answer all of your questions. You should also be wary of any provider that promises unrealistic returns or tries to pressure you into making a sale. Do your research and choose a provider that you feel comfortable working with. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSE, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.